There are a variety of skills that all managers need, regardless of whether they are a frontline, middle or senior manager. To develop these skills, managers need training, coaching and mentoring to embed them in their practices. Managers should understand the various drivers of motivation that people have. They should approach motivation with an attitude of respect for the diversity of types of people in their team. They should listen to each person to understand the needs they require from their work. They should address issues of equity or fairness, whether real or perceived. They should examine how goals are set as to whether the goals are motivating. They should consider whether their formal rewards are actually motivating people and what informal rewards they can use, including verbal recognition. They should also consider whether the tasks that their team members are required to do are a reflection of their skills and passions. Managers need to be able to organise their team. They should be able to translate the overall objectives for the team into specific responsibilities, accountabilities and communication practices within the team. Managers need to be able to delegate tasks effectively and give the appropriate authority. Managers should also be able to set smart individual and team goals. They should be able to manage the relationships within their team. Managers should also be able to plan and run effective meetings, including leading productive discussions. Managers should have a focus on creating a climate in the team where people are engaged and committed. They should be able to recognise the symptoms of a poor team climate, as well as be able to assess the dimensions of their team's work climate. They should also know the 6 climate dimensions, as well as know how to improve each of these dimensions. They should also know how their leadership style affects the work climate in their team. All managers should be able to ensure that their team achieves their performance expectations, which includes using performance appraisals of some kind. This includes clearly stating a comprehensive set of performance objectives that not only includes their results, but also their technical, people and thinking skills. They need to be able to set SMART goals for each of their objectives. Managers also need to know how to conduct effective performance development conversations with their team. Coaching is an important part of the performance management process, as well as being important for other developmental relationships and managers involved with. Therefore, managers need to be able to feedback effectively and have well-developed communication techniques like active listening. They need to be able to use their experience to quickly diagnose the drivers of a person's good or poor performance. They should be able to employ a variety of coaching techniques, including questioning sequences, as well as knowing how and when to micromanage. Managers will be well served to know and use a coaching model like the GROW model to provide a consistent structure to their coaching conversations. Most managers are involved with projects of one sort or another and therefore need a set of project management skills. Managers need to be able to manage the scope of projects through the use of tools like work breakdown structures and terms of reference statements. There are a variety of ways in which to manage the cost of a project, including return on investment, cost estimates and payback analysis. Managers need also to ensure the quality of their project outcomes through the use of tools such as checklists, benchmarking and control charts. The use of time on a project also needs to be managed through tools such as Gantt charts and critical path analyses. Managing team members or the HR component of project management involves knowing how to use such tools as load charts and responsibility matrices. Project managers also need to manage the communications of the projects through tools like status reporting and communications plans. Risk management is important for project managers and includes tools such as probability and impact rating and risk mitigation planning. Project managers also need to use procurement tools like make or buy analyses and supplier evaluation matrices. Managers need to be able to coordinate projects through the use of integration tools such as project charters and stakeholder analyses. Since managers are change agents, they should understand and manage the different reactions to change that people exhibit. They should be able to assess the readiness of their group to change, as well as know how to communicate change to change-ready or change-averse groups. They should be able to perform a stakeholder analysis and enact a stakeholder management plan. Managers are often expected to get work done through others without the development that is necessary to be effective. New management skills are often necessary to help a manager to reach a new level of effectiveness.